Today, I'm going to talk about goals. And I want you to imagine that you have been introduced to a great archer, the greatest archer in the world. And you take this wise old master archer into a field, an open field with his bow and arrow. You ask him to demonstrate his skills. But there's one problem. The master turns around to you and says, but what can I aim for? There's no target. So with that, he fires an arrow into the field. And then he fires another one, landing next to him. Because now he's got a target in sight. He's got something to focus on. And then he fires another arrow and another arrow and another arrow, and it lands in exactly the same place. So why do we need this? Your brain needs the target. It needs the target so it's got something to aim for. So the contest of having the target is a vision and a dream. And that's the most common term for our personal target is called a goal. It's important, so important to have these goals in our lives because we've got something to aim for, something to dream, something to inspire us. So what I'm asking you today is, have you got a goal in your life that inspires you to go out and hit that target or aim for that target every day? Have a great day, and I will catch you on my next broadcast. Bye for now.